Today we're coloring a little deer standing tall and proud. Let's trace the outline first. If you need the outline, you can download it from the link below and color along. Now let's start coloring. First, add light tones to the face and ears. Then fill the body with warm brown, and finish with soft shading in the antlers to make the little deer look magical and full of dimension. All done. What does your standing deer look like? Every gentle color brings your art to life.